Greetings of the day, everyone. Today, my team SheCodes is here to provide a solution to a very common problem in the education world, which many of the universities face. That is class scheduling. So we are here with our solution, ShedU, the dynamic class scheduler. So, explaining the problem statement. Have you ever struggled with chaos of scheduling classes, teachers being overbooked, students stuck in scheduling conflicts, and empty classrooms while some classrooms are overcrowded? So, today I'm excited to present a solution, the Smart Class Scheduler, an intelligent system that transforms this chaos into harmony. So educational institutions faces three critical challenges. One is managing thousands of students preferences and availabilities, then coordinating with teachers schedules and their preferred time slots, and optimizing limited classroom resources. So proposed solution, our solution has three major pillars. First one is real-time intelligent. At the heart of a system, the heart of a system is real-time intelligence. Imagine a system that not only collects data but actively learns and adapts to it. When student or a teacher inputs their preferences, our system instantly processes the information and begins to optimize the schedule. Next is smart operations. But what makes our solution truly powerful is how we handle request. Time priority queue isn't only about first come first serve, which ensures fairness and efficiency. Uh, while other traditional systems may take a lot of days to resolve conflicts, our solution does it within seconds. Then scalable infrastructure. What sets us apart is that our solution can be scaled to large majority universities and is also applicable for small colleges, and it scales seamlessly. We have designed to grow with your institution, handling everything from parallel course enrollments to real-time notifications without missing a beat. Overview of the solution. uh, our smart class scheduler uses advanced algorithm to automate and optimize the entire process. Let's follow to the scheduling request of a system. First, when the teachers and students submit their request, our time priority queue system timestamps and sorts them using first come first served scheduling. This ensures absolute fairness in the process. The magic happens in the loop. First, we check if the preferred time slot is available. If it's available, we move on to scheduling classes. If it's not available, we check for the next alternative slot. Again, we check number of students. Assuming the class of 30 students, we check if there are more than 15, that is half of the students available in that time slot. If yes, we move again to forward with scheduling the classes. Otherwise, we cancel the class and check for the alternative slots. If the room is available, we schedule the class. If it's not available, again we uh, we try to see in the alternative slots. What makes a solution powerful is the intelligent way it handles conflict. If when the preferred slot isn't available, our system does not simply reject the request. Instead, it enters into adaptive scheduling phase, trying to find alternative slots that work for all parties. Moving on to tech stack, which will be explained by Riddhi.
Okay, so while talking about the tech stack, we'll be using end-to-end JavaScript, which simplifies the debugging and the code sharing across the front end and back end. For the front end, we'll be using React, which works on client-side rendering. It updates only the parts of page that change instead of reloading the entire page. This makes app feel faster and more responsive. We'll also be using Next.js. While it's completely opposite to React in terms of rendering, it's used for static generation, meaning we can use it to pre-generate the pages that don't change often, which will speed up the load times. For the backend, we'll be using Node.js and Express.js, which efficiently handles the asynchronous operations, which is perfect for the dynamic scheduling. Now, what does async handling mean? So certain operations can occur independently without waiting for others to finish. Hence, Node.js efficiently handles multiple requests simultaneously, and Express.js is lightweight and it provides the middleware support. For the database, we'll be using MongoDB, which is a flexible schema, and it easily handles large amount of data as the application grows. For the designing, we'll be using Figma, which is a UI UX design tool, which ensures that UI UX matches the project's need. We can quickly visualize and test the user flow before implementation, meaning we can design first and then develop. Now we'll show you our Figma prototype.
This is the Figma prototype. Moving on to methodology, which will be explained by
Okay,
Veera.
so so now I will talk about the methodology behind our dynamic class scheduling system, which is an efficient solution designed to balance resources and preferences. So the first thing is time priority. We used a timestamp based first come first serve approach to ensure fairness. Every request, whether it is from a teacher or a student, is processed in the order it arrives, maintaining smooth operations. Second, resource allocation. Our system dynamically assigns rooms and time slots, ensuring optimal resource uses. It is like a smart traffic controller, minimizing the free time and maximizing efficiency. Parallel processing. By processing enrollments and scheduling concurrently, we achieve significant efficiency gains. Multiple requests are handled simultaneously without compromising on their accuracy. Number fourth is constraint validation. So every scheduling decision is validated against class size limit and room availability. So this ensure conflicts are prevented even before they occur. Lastly, adaptive rescheduling. While primary options are unavailable, the system suggests smart alternatives such as different time slots or nearby rooms, increasing successful scheduling rates. In summary, our system ensures fairness, it optimizes resources, and adapts to challenges, creating a reliable and user-friendly experience. Now, I'll talk about how is our solution unique. We will take a moment to imagine a typical university where students are scrambling for registering for classes are clashing, and even the professor are overwhelmed with attendance tracking. So it is chaotic, inefficient, and frustrating for everyone involved. But our solution, it is designed to change that. So let me explain how. First, we ensure a parallel processing. So unlike traditional system that handles registration and scheduling separately, our system processes them simultaneously while creating schedule. This not only saves times but also ensures that processes work together seamlessly, making it very efficient for administrator and student. Secondly, so if there are some issues like student find that the class slot is unavailable, or there is a conflict in their schedule, our AI steps in and dynamically suggests alternatives so that it increases the efficiency. Thirdly, we offer real-time attendance tracking. Our system integrates attendance tracking directly into the scheduling process. This means that if a student enrollment status changes, it automatically adjusts in the system, keeping record keeping the records accurate and up to date. Finally, our dynamic priority adjustment ensure that critical scheduling needs like mandatory classes or exams are prioritized. So this prevents delay in processing and ensures that high priority tasks are handled at first without disrupting the flow for everyone. In essence, our solution not only tackles the common pain points of scheduling but also enhances efficiency, accuracy, and user experience. It's smart, reliable, and a future ready approach to solve these challenges. Now, Riddhi will explain the social impact of our project.
Okay, so talking about the social impact of a project, uh, it will help everyone to access the education easily by solving the scheduling problems. It will save the time for schools and colleges so they can focus on improving the education, and it will let students choose the classes they like, keeping them more interested and successful. About the impact of a project on the market, it will work for schools, colleges, and even the corporate training programs. It will save money by automating the scheduling process, and it will give institutions a tech advantage, helping them to attract more students and teachers. So this is the way a project will impact the society and the market.
Thank you.
Let's conclude.